Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review YouTube channel. Over the last few years, I have been using the SmallRig street photography kit for the DJI OSMO Action 6, and honestly, it completely changed the way I use this camera. Instead of feeling like a traditional action camera setup, it feels more like a compact street photography companion that's always ready to capture everyday moments. Whether it's a city walk, a coffee run, travel street, reflections in shop windows, or quick POV shots while exploring, this kit is designed to make street shooting easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Before we dive deeper, let's take a very quick look at what you get. The setup centers around the SmallRig dedicated street photography case for DJI OSMO Action 6, and it can be paired with accessories such as a SmallRig filter kit, storage bag, and handle to create complete street-ready shooting setup. One of the first things that caught my attention is the design. SmallRig has given this cage a retro-inspired look with a matte black finish and silver top trim. The styling is clean, premium, and gives the OSMO Action 6 a unique street camera-inspired appearance. It stands out from typical action camera accessories while maintaining a professional and minimalist look. But this product is much more than appearance. The entire concept behind this kit is to transform the DJI OSMO Action 6 into a compact camera setup that's easy to carry and quick to use in real-world street photography situations. Street photography often comes down to timing. Moments appear and disappear within seconds, and having a camera that is always accessible can make a huge difference. That's where the ergonomic anti-slip grip comes in. The handle features a contoured shape along with textured non-slip padding to help provide a secure and comfortable hold. Whether you're walking through busy city streets, shooting one-handed, and quickly reacting to an interesting scene, the grip feels stable and easy to control. For long shooting sessions, that added comfort is definitely appreciated. Another feature that significantly improves the experience is the adjustable minimalist shoulder strap. Instead of constantly carrying the camera in your hand or keeping it inside a bag, you can comfortably ward it across your body and keep it ready for action. The strap is designed to provide a snug fit while helping reduce unnecessary movement as you walk. More importantly, it allows quick access whenever you spot a moment worth capturing. For street photography and travel content, that convenience is incredibly valuable. One thoughtful addition is the integrated battery compartment built into the handle. It can store one original DJI battery, giving you a convenient way to carry backup power without needing a separate battery case. For creators spending hours outdoors filming city life, travel adventures, or everyday activities, having an extra battery close at hand helps keep the shooting process smooth and uninterrupted. The flexibility of this setup is another strong point. SmallRig has equipped the cage with multiple mounting options, including cold shoe mounts and 1x4 20-threaded holes. This allows you to attach comfortable accessories such as microphones, LED lights, tripods, and other gear depending on your shooting style and creative needs. Whether you're recording street scenes, creating travel content, shooting POV shots, or building a more complete content creation setup, these mounting options provide useful expansion possibilities. What I particularly like is the SmallRig hasn't overcomplicated the concept. The company has focused on enhancing the portability and usability of the DJI OSMO Action 6 while keeping everything compact and practical. The result is a setup that remains lightweight, easy to carry, and quick access throughout the day. The overall experience feels natural. You can walk through the city, stop for a quick coffee, capture reflections, record interesting architecture, or shoot spontaneous street moments without feeling like you are carrying a large camera system. Everything is designed around convenience, mobility, and responsiveness. After spending time with the SmallRig street photography kit, it's easy to understand its purpose. It transformed the DJI OSMO Action 6 into a stylish, compact, and practical street shooting setup that's ready for everyday creativity. The combination of retro-inspired design, ergonomic grip, shoulder strap, integrated battery storage, and multiple mounting options creates a solution that feels genuinely useful for creators on the move. If you own a DJI OSMO Action 6 and want a more comfortable, street-ready way to capture everyday moments, this is definitely a setup worth considering. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review for more tech reviews and creator-focused content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.